want to place the correct symbol. For either greater than or less than. So to start with, let's say we have two numbers, such as 1/3 and 1/2. Okay, and let's say that we're not sure with these lower numbers. I'm sure probably most people know which one's larger, right? What would you say is the larger number here?
1/2.
1/2. Well, let's say you didn't know for sure. Okay, what you can do is try to find a common denominator. And one thing you can do is, all right, common denominator here between these two fractions would be what? 6, right? So if we have 1/3 and 1/2, what times 3 gives me 6 for denominator? 2. So we would multiply 2 over 2, and for 1/2 we would multiply what to get 6 for denominator?
3.
Yeah, 3 over, so we would multiply 3 over 3. So this would be 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, and then here we would have 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, and we can see that the 3/6 is larger than the 2/6. Okay, so you put the larger end of that inequality sign on the, in this case, you put it on the 1/2 side. Okay, any questions with that? Alright, let's say we have two numbers such as, this is problem 106. Let's say we have 11 over 12 and 7 over 9. Well, this one's a little bit more difficult. So what I tell students to do is take the larger denominator and multiply it, start multiplying it by numbers and see if you can get the other number to be that same term. Such as if we took 12 times 2, that would give us 24, right? Can we say that 9 times some number, can we say 9 times some number equals 24? No, we can't. Okay, so we go to the next number, 12 times 3. And what would that be? 36. So can we say that 9 times 3 is the, so can we say that 9 times some number? Yeah, 9 times 4 is 36. So we can say that we take the numbers that we're multiplying each one by, and we can say that 11 over 12 times 3 over 3. And then here we have 7 over 9. And what are we going to multiply that by? 4 over 4, right? And so that gives us 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times 12, we said that was 36. And how about 7 times 4? 28. 9 times 4, we know that's 36. So now which one is the larger one? The 11/12 one, right. If 33 over 6 is larger than 28 over 36, then 11 over 12 is going to be larger than 7 over 9. Okay? Any questions with that? Okay, would you like that? Anybody like to see another one like that? Yeah? Okay. Let's see, that was 6. Alright, here's one. Problem number 109. Okay, so we take the 9 doesn't multiply. We can't multiply some number times 9 to give us 21, right? So we take the larger denominator, 21, and we start multiplying it. Start with 21 times 2, 21 times 3, until we get a number that is the same. We can multiply 9 times that number to give us the same number. Well, 2 times 21, that's going to be 40 what? 42. Can we have 9 times some number to give us 42? No, we can't. Okay, so that's out. Well, how about 21 times 3? Okay, that would be 63, right? Well, we can multiply 9 times what? 7 to give us 63. So we take the number that we multiply each one with, and we multiply that into our fractions. So we're going to take 5 over 9, and we're going to multiply that by 7 over 7. And we're going to take 11 over 21, and what are we going to multiply that by? 3 over 3, right. And so that would be 7 times 5. What's that? 35 over 7 times 9 is 63. 11 times 3, what's that? 33 over 21 times 3, that's 63. So we can see that which one's larger? 35 over 63. So that means our 5 over 9 is also going to be larger than the 11 over 21. Okay, and that's the answer that you got. Alright? So again, you can also do what's called find the least common multiple, but for the numbers that we're working with, I think this method is a little easier. Okay, so you take the larger denominator, and you start multiplying that by 2, 3, 4 until you get a number that you can multiply some number times that to get you the same answer. And that's what you multiply. The number that you multiply, that's what you multiply into the fraction.